Today's practical is determination of solubility of inorganic salt. Aim of the experiment is to determine the solubility of inorganic salt of sodium chloride and potassium chloride at a particular temperature or different temperatures. The apparatus required are thermometer, beaker, weighing balance, electronic balance, petri dishes, pipette, glass rod, measuring cylinder, etc. The chemicals required are sodium chloride and potassium chloride. So this is now we are going to show you the chemicals. This is the chemical sodium chloride and this is potassium chloride, and this is the instrument with weighing balance. And this is the petri dish, different petri dishes, about 5 petri dishes will be taken, and this is the 2 beakers are taken. Now we are going to weigh the petri dishes in the balance. Then write the weight in separate papers. Then weigh the next petri dish. In this way, we have to weight the 5 petri dishes and write their weighing in gram. This is the last petri dish, and the weight of petri dish were written in a paper. Now we are going to start the procedure for solubility. At first the weight or some amount of NaCl were taken and mixed into the 50 ml distilled water present in the beaker. Add some amount of NaCl, then stir it with a glass rod for complete mixing of the now heat the solution by taking the Bunsen burner with a tripod stand, and wire gauge will be taken. Then heat up to 80 degrees centigrade and then stop the gas. Now stop heating and cool down to 80 degrees centigrade. Then 10 ml of the solution will be taken in a pipette and transferred to the 70 degree petri dish. 10 ml of the solution will be pipetted out and transferred to the first petri dish of previously weight. Then at 60 degree and 50 degree, 40 degree and at room temperatures 10 ml solution were taken and Then they were taken into the hot air oven for heating. We have already transferred 10 ml of the solution in different 5 petri dishes of different temperature of 70 degree, 60 degree, 50 degree, 40 degree and room temperature. Now all these petri dishes were taken into a hot air oven. This is the hot air oven. Now we are going to heat the 5 petri dishes in the hot air oven for proper evaporation of the solvent present in the petri dishes. So open the hot air oven and put the different petri dishes in hot air oven for evaporation of solvent. Now close the door and wait for complete evaporation of the solvent. Now stop heating as we have got the residue after evaporation of water. So now the 5 petri dishes were taken for again weighing in weighing balance. After that the calculation were made by referring the observation table. This is the calculation part. We have to refer this calculation part from a book, practical book, and according to table the temperature will be written first, then weight of the empty dish, then weight of the dish plus solution, then weight of the dish plus residue, then weight of the residue, then weight of the solvent, and last the solubility or percentage of solubility. The percentage of solubility can be determined by following the calculation, that is solubility of salt in degree centigrade is equal to W3 minus W1 by W2 minus W3 into 100. So this was the complete experiment of solubility of NaCl. In this way we will decide the next practical, that is the potassium chloride. By maintaining this same method, we have to do the next practical of potassium chloride. That's all.